Very good. So let's move on to the certification and training coverage of this Compass Control Introduction, C1. So we're here, C1, exactly as it says here. It's an introduction so that you can begin specifying and selling systems of Compass Control Pro. C1 Plus, we actually jump you into programming modular systems. Okay, so it's modular programming and installation. And we actually have content up there across a few different application types. C2 is custom module development. So you'll learn how to create your own IP strings, RS-232 strings, or IR, how to capture or import Pronto hex for various IR devices, how you can create your own libraries for controlling those devices. And then even if you need to attach those codes to a module, so that you have a pre-built UI for controlling that device, you could do so all through C2 programming or training. And then continuing your education to the C3 level, that is your custom UI programming. You will become the custom UI programming professional. With that, we go through it all there. We go through, hey, here is a button. It can have 4 different graphical states with or without text. Here's how to make it move and dance as you desire. Here's how to kind of do all these things button by button, or create a macro where just in one place you can control all these things. You press one button, all the others pop up, kind of thing. Here's how to utilize variables in the system. And so we do. We go through it all. That course obviously is a bit longer, but it is all available for you there online. And just while we're here, for me, my suggestion to you is, if you're wanting to take this seriously and do the programming yourself, is to go all the way through it, because the most powerful thing you can do, in my opinion, is program in the modular drag and drop method, but customize it after the fact, which is all totally possible. And that way you're really minimizing the amount of time it takes to do your programs, but then able to customize it to really have a more custom UI and for your project, for your end user. Now, folks that have already, as I mentioned, gone through this and repeated and repeated and repeated and just get better and better and better as time goes on, these are our master level Compass partners for installation and programming. We have a list of them on our website. So take a look there, keydigital.com/compass/installers, and you'll see our recommended partners. And you can always also reach out to us. Sometimes, each of these programmers has an application or two that they really specialize in, and you want to, ask us who we recommend from this list. We are happy to provide you with that recommendation. And if this is your goal to end up on this list, then again, it's just a matter of repeating the process, going through that learning curve for installation and programming. And this is a huge help to us as well when we could add your name to this list. So it's, once again, a win-win situation.